Hi, I'm Stephanie from Renovation Bay-Bee, and today I want to show you the Briiv Air Purifier. This isn't just an ugly air purifier that sits out on the side and cleans the air. It cleans the air, it's very natural, sustainable, and this little thing is worth 3,043 houseplants, so it will clean your air so efficiently and it will look absolutely lovely in your home. So this post is to show you how to quickly set it up, which doesn't take much at all, a little bit of information about it, but please feel free to go over to my blog post in the description box below and you can have a look at all the information. I've put lots of information together for you to have a look and what this tiny little but very powerful air purifier does. As you can see, it's this lovely glass dome. It's a really lovely product and I've been over the moon with it, so I look forward to telling you more about it. So you've got the actual component part at the bottom, which is where all your electrical parts are. Now this is a very sustainable product. Everything is either natural, locally sourced, made in the UK and biodegradable. So even the plastic is made from an oil-based plastic which is derived from elephant grass. So you have three different sections of filters. You have the moss, which is a dried moss, and that catches things like dust and animal dander and pollen and allergens. Then you have the coconut layer, that brown one that you can see in the bottom there. This catches bacteria and mold spores. Then you have a matrix filter, which they have designed themselves, and it is their secret weapon, as they call it. It is not made from a HEPA filter like they usually are, which are usually produced from microfibers. This is nanofibers, so it is so much more efficient than, I say, something that uses HEPA filters. Then it's powered by USB, which can be used in a plug or into a USB port. I've also used it with a battery pack so that I can take it and portable anywhere, or it doesn't need it if I can't reach the plug, so that's really efficient. It only costs around £2 a year if you were to run it for 6 hours every single day, obviously dependent on the charges of your electricity and things like that. You can put it on for 1 hour and in a room around 36 square meters, and it will effectively clean the air in that hour's time. So I've used it when the dogs smell and I thought, oh, this really smells in here. Put it on quickly and it is cleared that smell so quickly and efficiently. There are about 4 settings on it, on speeds. I do find the top speed is quite noisy, so it's not something you'd want to have sort of blast on high and keep it going all the time. But if there was a big cooking and there's lots of strong smells, or your child was really suffering with the pollen, you could really clean the room really quickly and it would work really well. So please head over to the blog post where you can see more information, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.